What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to export part of a video in Filmora 13. So the first thing that we need to do is to bring our video to the timeline, like so. And for this tutorial, let's export from 5 seconds to 8 and something. So to do that, all you have to do is to place the cursor to 5 seconds, like so. Then you're going to press I on your keyboard. You're going to choose the end. Also, you're going to put the cursor on the end and you're going to press O on your keyboard. And now you can export this part. Also, you can use this to set up the start of your part and this to set up the end of your exported part. And now to export the video, all you have to do is to click on export and you're going to click on export and you will export just this part of the video. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.